Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. As you can tell by the title, we are finally back on the CRF250L Supermoto. I've had plenty of people asking about it, where is it, make a video on it, so today we are doing just that. I have been a bit preoccupied with the mini bike, with a new job, with getting a new car. Maybe we'll make a video on that, but first, let's just go ride. Stoppy. Whew, that was pretty clean. Yeah guys, so the reason I haven't been riding this thing, honestly, I've just been super busy, and that new electric razor, like the Sur-On powered razor, whatever you want to call it, has just been taking up so much of my time. The thing is just so fun, it's so easy to ride, and it's just, you know, I don't know, I don't want to say I've fallen out of love with the CRF, but I don't know, man, it's just definitely not getting quite as much as attention as it used to. Now don't worry guys, I'm not planning on selling this or anything, or at least not at the moment. I haven't really thought about it, to be honest, but the only reason I haven't been riding it is simply because I've just been busy with a bunch of other stuff and other bikes. So that's literally the only reason. Let's see if we can even still wheelie this thing. I haven't wheelied it in so long, and I'm used to the handbrake on my razor. All right, we'll get back at it. This thing feels so big and heavy now. All right, we're just gonna head to the old wheelie spot here, see if we can get some wheelies died on this old, heavy, underpowered girl. Just see what we can't find. I'm not sure if any of you guys watched the Killa Cam, but he is a motorcycle YouTuber that's like around the greater Philadelphia area, and he just bought a Husky FS450, and I actually saw him the other day on Kelly Drive. I was in my Miata, so you know I couldn't like spin around and ride with him, but it's the first time I've ever seen him, and you know, I would have expected in the 3 years that I've lived here to run into him before, but that was the first time. But one day, Cam, you and I are gonna ride together. All right, let's remember to use our foot and not our fingers here. Oh, so bad. It just feels so unwieldy right now. There we go. I am feeling sketchy, I'll tell you that. I also got this like new armor mesh thingy. It's like got a chest and back protector and arm, like shoulders and elbows, that I'm wearing right now. I got a jersey right on top of it, so I'm trying to stay cool here because it's hot out today. It's like 75. My wheelies are so bad now. Is that an old MG, I think? It's like what my Miata was based off of. I forgot that I can't see when I do wheelies on this big bike because it's so much bigger. All right, here we go. Let's see if this hill can help me gain some confidence back on this thing. So tired. Been doing a lot of driving back and forth to commute to my new job. Actually, today I was remote, but yeah, we're so clearly leaning right here. All right, let's try again. Alright, hit a stoppy. Whew. See if we can still do a burnout on it. We can. I guess this is for like rowing. Oh, we gotta hit our daily donut for KG Rallo. Too easy on this. What, are you gonna yell at me? I don't think I'm gonna ride very long. I'm just gonna head over to the art museum, see what's going on there, and go home and go to bed, honestly. I don't know, man. This thing just feels so weird right now. The hell is going on over there? Little drummer's line? we got what we got. It's definitely bikes. Had to wheelie for him, you know? Nice little rainbow parking lot, I guess. Watch, guys, I bet you when I go back out, if I ride tomorrow on this thing, I'll be like 10 times better than I am right now. Literally, you sleep on it, and then you improve. But fun fact, that cafe right over there, the episode of It's Always Sunny in Philly where Charlie goes on a date with a waitress when he's like an intellectual, it was filmed there. Or at least it took place there. I don't know if they actually filmed there, but at the Sister City Cafe. Sister Cities Cafe. Say that 5 times fast. Oh, the sun looks beautiful, dude. It looks huge. Not a cloud in front of it. Just setting right over there. Oh, and now I'm seeing dots. Now you have a gang of people out. The DRZs. Alright. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Back on the CRF250L. A little bit short. Whatever. I'm sorry. But, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More videos to come on this and the Razor. I will catch you next time. Peace.